Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the plastic soldier miniature line. They are typically 15 millimeters in size, and they're all to scale for each other. So it's incredible. Generally speaking, the detail is quite nice for the size. If you're used to Warhammer or even Star Wars Legion, this is a little smaller than that. Think of the new Warhammer line, where kind of emulates the Apocalypse gameplay, but in a lot smaller of a scale, where one base would have like 6 Space Marines basically. I forgot what the line is called, but yeah. This is kind of on a similar vein, though slightly larger than that. It's kind of an in-between size between standard Warhammer and then the truly small miniature size scale figures. It's even a little smaller than Dungeons and Dragons, if you can believe it, which is they do have incredibly small figures, which is an oxymoron. But yeah, we're gonna open them right up and just to see how intricate the details are. So this is the sprues for the British Churchill tanks. Each box, at least for the Churchill anyway, comes with 5 tanks in total. And I like what they did with the system. Basically, each tank is a sprue. And within that sprue, you can determine which type of Churchill you want to build. See, they're all matching. Let me show you. Look at that. See? It's all neatly organized. All of them Churchills, all different kinds within that one sprue, which is incredible. Now let's just take a look at one of them just to see the intricacies and the details. Oh yeah. No details were lost. This is very detailed actually. Let me focus in. Yeah, wow. This is nice. I can't believe we're getting this level of detail for... Yeah, this is crazy. You only really see detail like this on much bigger 1/35 or even 1/48 scale kits like Tamiya's. I wouldn't even say Revell. That's a little preposterous sometimes. But this is nice detailing, man. And all of them are like that. All of them. Yeah, no detail lost in any of them. And they were stacked nicely, so you don't have to worry about quote-unquote scratches or battle damage, as I'd like to cope with some of my damaged kits. But okay, that's the Churchill done. Overall, 10 out of 10, honestly. With the way it's designed to be built, the system, short, simple, to the point. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to mention 2 things. One, the instruction manual only has 7 instructions. Wait, 7. That's crazy. Compartmentalization, very good, incredible. 10 out of 10 for that. Also, pricing for 5 Churchills of that detail, also 10 out of 10. It's $43 for the Churchill overall, $43.69. The half track is $44, slightly more expensive. Not too bad. Again, 10 out of 10 because the half track comes with 5 models. Perfect. And now we take a look at the half tracks. Again, 5 sprues, 5 models, same exact system. 10 out of 10 again. And we'll take a look at one just to inspect the detail. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. Even the troops that you're gonna have in the half track eventually. Look at that. Wow. Also, I take it back. It is about the same size scale as what's that called? Legion Imperialis. That's the line I'm talking about. Obviously this is not Warhammer, so I'm kind of comparing apples to oranges, but again, the through line is that they're both minis and they both carry the same detail that you'd expect from your minis or want to expect, but The difference is that Games Workshop stuff costs upwards of $70 for the same kind of size, whereas this is $43 and $44 respectively. Big difference. That's another mini basically in terms of pricing difference. And yeah, if you don't care about the minis in terms of gameplay and you just want to paint minis, I recommend just starting with the plastic soldier line. Incredible value, incredible detail, 10 out of 10, all the way. Yeah. Alright guys, well that's it for me today. Name's Paul. You can catch us on our social media. TikTok is where we are the most active, same with Instagram, especially the stories. So follow us both on there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, it's growing. We're going to be soon to implement a studio. Sorry, that sentence didn't make any sense, but yeah, soon to implement a studio sometime in March. So bear with us. So we're limiting the camera angles to just this till we can have a proper studio setup. But in the meantime, just subscribe, have patience, and yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Thank you.